On a budget but love street food? Craving those delicious bites without breaking the bank? Let's turn your kitchen into a Tokyo food stall for just $1. Yes, you heard that right, just $1. Imagine this: Tokyo streets, sizzling sounds, mouth-watering smells filling the air. Now, what if I told you you could recreate that with just $1 ingredients? Sounds amazing, right? Yup, we're diving into the world of fluffy Japanese street food right from your home. Get ready for a culinary adventure. First up, okonomiyaki, the savory Japanese pancake that's a crowd favorite. All you need is flour, water, an egg, cabbage and green onion. Simple and easy to find. Mix them up, pour into a hot pan and cook till golden brown and crispy. Drizzle with soy sauce and mayo. Voila, a delicious treat. Next, taiyaki, the cute fish-shaped cake that's both fun and tasty. Grab some pancake mix, water, sugar and sweet filling. It's that simple. Pour batter into a mold, add filling, cover and cook till golden brown and delicious. No mold? Use a muffin tin, easy peasy. Get creative with what you have. With just a few bucks and these simple steps, you're all set. You can bring Tokyo street food into your kitchen. It's easier than you think. Give it a try and taste the magic today. You won't regret it.